Are you looking for a powerful mobile trading app that lets you trade Forex, synthetics and more, all in one place? In this video, we review the Deriv mobile app. It features pros, cons, and whether it's worth using in 2025. Let's dive in on how to create a demo account. Just go to our Telegram channel or our WhatsApp group and click on the link in the description or link that we sent to you in the group. Now, when you click on the link, you'll be asked to input your email address. Now, after you input your email address, just go ahead and click on Create Account. When you click on Create Account, an email will be sent to you right immediately. So head on to your email address and confirm. On your email address, you're going to receive a message from Deriv. So you click on that message and you go down right here to verify. So let's click on verify my email. Perfect. Immediately it navigates you onto the Deriv website and these details will be asked, so you make sure you do the right thing. So we select Cameroon. Since I'm in Cameroon, by default your country is going to appear right down there, and then citizenship Cameroon. So just go ahead and fill the necessary information, and when choosing a password, make sure you choose a password that fall within the criteria listed right here, and also don't choose a password which is difficult for you to remember. So let me go in and input my password. Now, after inputting your password, if you see everything here green, meaning that your password was very correct according to the criteria, and then you head on to create password. Okay, my account has been created. Some people like to save their password. As I'm going to do that, I'm going to save my password right now. When you select the password, you're going to see this right in front of you. Complete your profile. But since we are creating a demo account, we are going to head on to go to demo right here. That's a tick, right? And after you click on go to demo, you have these options right in front of you. Try demo trading, right? So you have a $10,000 demo account. This is not your money, it's practice money. Okay, so we are going to be choosing this one, which is recommended, the MT5 STD, the standard account. So we click on that and we input the password that we want to use on the MetaTrader 5 application. Remember, this password we're choosing here will be used to log into our MT5 application. Let's do that right away. Okay, you can see that my password was very correct according to the criteria, right? So I'm going to head on. I'm going to head on to create account. The create account button is right down here. So I'm going to click on that. Perfect. My MT5 trading account is ready, and here are my login details. Right here you can see the STD account. And please, we always recommend that you use one password when creating your account and use the same password when creating your MT5 demo account. So right here we have our MT5 demo details. This is our login, and the password we just created is what we're going to use to log in on the MT5 application. Thank you and see you in the next video. And please, we always recommend or advised that when creating your trading account or demo account on Deriv, always use the same password all through so that you can easily remember. If this helped you in any way, please drop your comment in the comment section, and don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on the notification bell for more trading review.